10 brilliant British inventors you probably never learned about. British history is packed with famous names, but many of the people who truly changed everyday life never made it into textbooks. Behind modern travel, sound, manufacturing, lighting, and safety are inventors whose ideas quietly reshaped the world while their names faded from memory. Some were ignored, some overshadowed, and others simply lived too early to be appreciated. This video brings them back into focus. Here are 10 brilliant British inventors you probably never learned about, ranked from 10 to 1, with number 1 standing as the most brilliant and most overlooked of them all. 10. Lewis Fry Richardson. Lewis Fry Richardson did not invent a physical machine, but he invented methods that underpin modern life. Born in England in 1881, Richardson was a mathematician and physicist who attempted something radical for his time, predicting the weather using mathematics alone. Instead of relying on observation and experience, Richardson broke the atmosphere into grids and applied equations to predict how conditions would change. His ideas were sound, but the calculations took weeks to complete by hand, making them impractical in his lifetime. For decades, his work was largely ignored. Everything changed with the arrival of computers. Modern numerical weather forecasting follows Richardson's original framework almost exactly. Every daily forecast now owes something to his work. He also applied mathematics to the study of conflict, pioneering early quantitative approaches to understanding war and peace. Despite this influence, Richardson remains largely unknown outside academic circles, making him a fitting entry on this list. 9. Frederick Scott Archer. Photography became widespread far earlier than many people realize, thanks largely to Frederick Scott Archer. Born in England in 1813, Archer invented the wet collodion photographic process in 1851, revolutionizing image making. Before his invention, photography was slow, expensive, and unreliable. Archer's method produced sharper images, drastically reduced exposure time, and lowered costs, allowing photography to spread rapidly across the world. It became the dominant photographic process for decades. Remarkably, Archer never patented his invention. He believed scientific progress should be shared freely. Others built profitable businesses using his method, while Archer struggled financially and died in poverty in 1857. Despite shaping journalism, science, and personal photography, his name is rarely mentioned today, even among photography enthusiasts. 8. William Murdoch. William Murdoch helped banish darkness from cities long before electric lighting arrived. Born in Scotland in 1754, Murdoch was an engineer who pioneered practical gas lighting systems while working with Boulton and Watt. Murdoch successfully lit his own home using gas, then expanded the idea to factories and industrial spaces. This allowed buildings to operate safely after dark, transformed urban life, and improved productivity. Streets and workplaces became brighter, safer, and more functional. He also experimented with steam-powered vehicles and made improvements to steam engines, but his contributions were overshadowed by more famous contemporaries. Gaslighting spread worldwide, while Murdoch's name quietly slipped into obscurity despite his role in reshaping industrial Britain. 7. Hertha Ayrton. Hertha Ayrton was both a brilliant scientist and a persistent challenger of social barriers. Born in England in 1854, she was a mathematician, physicist, and engineer at a time when women were excluded from many scientific institutions. Ayrton made major advances in understanding electric arcs, directly improving early electrical lighting systems. Her research was widely used, yet recognition came slowly. She became the first woman to read her own paper before the Royal Society, but was denied full membership. During the First World War, Ayrton developed practical ventilation devices used to improve air quality in enclosed spaces. Thousands were produced. Despite these achievements, her name rarely appears in mainstream accounts of British scientific history, making her one of the most overlooked inventors of her era. 6. John Stringfellow. Decades before powered flight became practical, John Stringfellow proved it was possible. Born in England in 1799, Stringfellow built steam-powered model aircraft that achieved sustained flight in the 1840s. At the time, many believed heavier-than-air flight was impossible. Stringfellow's experiments challenged this assumption, demonstrating that powered flight was achievable in principle, even if full-sized aircraft were still beyond reach. Although later pioneers achieved manned flight, Stringfellow's work helped shift scientific thinking and opened the door to aviation research. His contribution is rarely mentioned in popular histories, despite its importance in the long journey toward modern air travel. 5. Percy Shaw. Percy Shaw's invention is so familiar that most people never think to ask who created it. Born in Yorkshire in 1890, Shaw invented the reflective road stud, commonly known as the cat's eye. After nearly driving off a foggy road at night, Shaw realized that reflected light could guide drivers safely. His design used glass beads embedded in rubber, reflecting headlights back toward vehicles while cleaning itself under traffic. The invention transformed road safety, especially in poor visibility, and spread across Britain and the world. Millions of drivers rely on cat's eyes every day, yet Shaw's name remains largely unknown, despite the life-saving impact of his work. 4. Frank Whittle. Frank Whittle changed aviation forever, though his story is often simplified or overlooked. Born in England in 1907, Whittle patented the turbojet engine in 1930, introducing a radical new approach to flight. His idea was initially dismissed as impractical, and development progressed slowly due to limited funding and institutional doubt. Eventually, jet propulsion proved transformative, enabling faster, higher and more efficient flight. Modern aviation depends on principles Whittle pioneered, yet his early struggles and originality are rarely explored in depth. While jets dominate the skies, Whittle himself remains less well known than the technology he created. 3. Alan Blumlein. Alan Blumlein fundamentally changed how the world hears sound. Born in London in 1903, he invented stereo recording and playback, laying the foundation for modern music, film, and broadcasting audio. Blumlein developed methods to capture and reproduce sound in a way that reflected natural human hearing, transforming entertainment and communication. Beyond audio, he also contributed to radar technology during wartime research. Tragically, Blumlein died young in a plane crash while testing equipment. His inventions became universal, but his name never entered public consciousness. Today, stereo sound is everywhere, while its creator remains largely unknown. 2. Thomas Newcomen. Before industrial Britain could exist, it needed power, and Thomas Newcomen provided it. Born in England in 1664, Newcomen built the first practical steam engine capable of sustained industrial work. His atmospheric engine was primarily used to pump water from mines, solving a critical industrial problem. Although inefficient by later standards, it proved steam power could be harnessed reliably. Later inventors improved efficiency, but Newcomen's design laid the groundwork for the Industrial Revolution. Without him, industrialization would have followed a very different path, yet his name is often overshadowed by those who came after. 1. John Kay. John Kay stands as the most brilliant and most overlooked inventor on this list. Born in England in 1704, Kay invented the flying shuttle, a deceptively simple device that transformed textile production. The flying shuttle dramatically increased weaving speed and efficiency, enabling mass production and helping ignite industrialization. It reshaped labor, trade, and economic growth in Britain and beyond. Kay paid a heavy personal price. His invention threatened existing jobs, leading to hostility and violence. He died in poverty while others profited from the system his idea helped create. Despite changing global manufacturing forever, John Kay's name is rarely remembered, making him the clearest example of a brilliant British inventor you probably never learned about. British innovation was built as much by forgotten minds as famous ones. These inventors shaped daily life in ways most people never notice, let alone study. Remembering 10 brilliant British inventors you probably never learned about isn't nostalgia, it's recognition of how quiet brilliance continues to shape the modern world. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.